Let me share my screen. Share. Now we're talking. Okay, so now let me open. So can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so really quickly, I don't want to spend too much time on this. So let's go to today. Today, this is today right here, 5/8, lesson 16. Okay, Zoom session. Remember, we have iNaturalist 2 on Sunday by 11:59. So please submit that. Okay. Now, what is going on Tuesday and Thursday? I know there's AP exams, so some of you are going to be busy at various times. Also remember, you need to be logged in half an hour before the exam. Make sure you can count on a stable connection and also on a reliable machine. By that I mean a computer or so. Okay, if you don't have those, make sure you contact either the principal or your teacher ASAP. Okay, and if you don't know the times of your exams, please visit the college board. I'm sure everything is there. Okay, so there's going to be interruptions. The earliest exam I think starts around 12, but the sign-in starts by I think half an hour before that. So if you have that last block, but which you don't have with me, but whoever teacher has, or you have, whatever class you have for the last block, you're gonna probably miss some of it, if not all of it. I don't know. Depends on how you deal with your teacher, how much your teacher allows you to miss if you have live sessions. Okay, so I'm gonna make it kind of basic and simple for you guys for the next 2 weeks. But let me go over what I have posted. Okay, so starting Tuesday, that's lesson 17, and Thursday, lesson 18. So I put them together. That's the 12th and the 14th next week. So again, Tuesday and Thursday. Very simple. I put a link here for a video about basic sampling techniques. Watch it. The only thing I need from you is write down 5 facts and points about the video. Just when you do outlines for me, when you watch a video, write 5 things. The video is very short. It's about 5 to 7 minutes, even probably shorter. I'm not quite interesting for those who like wildlife biology. So 5 facts and points. Bullet format is fine. That's going to be due on Friday. So you have the whole next week to do this thing. Okay, so it's due on Friday by 8 a.m. Okay, since I'm counting it as 2 periods, it's going to count for 2 grades. So please do it. If you don't do it, it's going to take a heavy, heavy toll on your grade. Okay, so let's say you submit after 8 a.m., it's an automatic lower letter grade. Okay, if you submit on Saturday, since it's due on Friday, you submit on Saturday, you're going to miss another letter grade. So your grade will go from to a C. You submit on Sunday, a D, and then you submit on Monday, an F, and then you'll stay as an F. Okay, so, but so please make sure you submit. Even if it's a D, it will still help your grade, but an F will definitely lower it tremendously, and that counts as 2 Fs. Okay, so please don't forget to submit this. It's quite simple, extremely simple. Okay, so the next iNaturalist after Sunday is due on the 24th. That's the very last one of the year. It's going to be due by 11:59, the usual. Okay, so so that's for the whole 2 first periods of next week. That's for Tuesday and Thursday. So this is the submission folder for that video assignment. I'm going to click on that so I can show you instructions. Same thing as you've done before. Attach a document either in PDF format with your name on it or a Google Docs format with your name on it. If you're going to submit Google Docs, make sure it's I can open. Okay, and I have access to it, so you have to give me permissions. Again, this is individual work, so everybody submits. Okay, so let me go back to class. So that's what's happening on Tuesday and Thursday. This is the submission folder. Now on Friday, next Friday, we have another Zoom session. Okay, same time, 10:45, 11:15. We will be discussing the iNaturalist that is due this Sunday. Okay, then the other one will kick in by then. Okay, actually the other one will kick in this Monday. Okay, so The next one is again due on the 24th. Again, that's the last one. So please make sure you guys are aware of that. Okay, so what's happening the following week? Not this week coming up, but the following. Remember, I'm planning for 2 weeks since that's the length of the AP exams. Okay, so distance learning 20 and 21. So that's for the 19th and the 21st. That's for the Tuesday and the Thursday of that week. Not this one, but the following coming up, the one after next. Okay, so again, I put a couple of videos here pertaining a present day topic that we're dealing with. That this is kind of making headlines. It's about the Asian giant hornets. Now, this species I've been aware of for many, many years since I saw it on a documentary, I read about it, and so forth. So I guess it's becoming kind of an issue since there's a potential of being able to take human lives. You get stung many times by one of these or by many. Okay, so but the biggest issue is actually the Western honeybee effects, or the effects that they will have on the Western honeybees are honeybees, the ones that give us the honey and the ones that obviously pollinate tremendous amount of our crops. So there's going to be an issue. So watch both videos. This is the Asian giant hornets versus the European or Western honeybees, and this is the Asian hornets, giant hornets versus the Japanese bees. So watch both videos and answer these questions. Okay, the questions number one here, contrast how both of species of bees deal with giant hornet invaders. Just by watching the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Ponder something. Why is one of the species of bee more successful at counteracting the Asian giant hornet attack than the other? See, why is it crucial to bee as the insect, bee here, no, yes, B-E, B-E-E, beehives to eliminate the Asian hornet scout as soon as possible? You see what I'm talking about when you watch the videos, and what is the price to pay for not doing so? Okay, and the last question, what are the potential implications of the Asian hornet invasion in the US honey industry and farming? So that's kind of like a project yourself with your question, with the answer with that. Okay, that's gonna be due on the 22nd at 8 a.m. That's also a Friday, okay? So for this week, you have that also one assignment, which is this one right here, answer the questions. I naturally still do on the 24th, the last one, and you're gonna submit these on this folder right here. Instructions are the same as the previous assignment. Submit your document with your name here in PDF, Google Docs format, and it's also individual. Okay, so that's gonna be for that week, and we'll finish the week again with a Zoom session. On this Zoom session right here, on the 22nd, we will discuss what's happening with the last 2 weeks of school in my course, okay? So with that, I think I pretty much explained everything that is happening in the next 2 weeks. If you have any questions, please, by all means, let me know. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen since that's everything I have for you here for in Google Classroom. But if you have any questions, let me know now. If not, I will stop the recording. And again, I will be posting this, so you need to rewatch it if you have if there's any doubts, or you can always ask me anyway directly. You know, Hangouts, Google Classroom, Remind, and or in my Date Schools email. So I'm going to stop recording, but don't go yet, please.